Hey everyone, it is Tuesday and it is time for us to get started on our calendar math. So yesterday we had been in school for 9 days, and that means today we have been in school for 10 days. Read it with me. We have been in school 10 days. Now this is one of my favorite days in calendar math because we get to make our very first group of 10. So yesterday we showed 9 using 9 ones. Well, anytime we make a group of 10, we don't pull over another 1. Instead, we use this. This is called a 10. And I bet you can guess why it's called a 10. It's called a 10 because it is made of 10 ones all put together. If I took all of these and I stacked them up and made them nice and neat, it would look like this 10 right here. So once again, this is called a 10, and it represents the number 10. When I see it, I don't have to count each one individually. I just know that's 10. So I'm going to take away these ones. We don't need them anymore because we have our very first group of 10. All right. So now, hold on.
If you are parked in the carpool lane, if you can move into a parking spot, we're going to be doing Wi-Fi pickup at 1:30. So if you could park in a parking spot, thank you.
Okay. Thank y'all for being patient. All right. So now we're going to show that we have been in school 10 days using our 10s and no 1s. So I have 1, 10. And look here, I don't have any 1s. Remember, I took my 10 ones and I turned them into this 10. So I have 0 1s. So now I'm going to show you how to use this box. We have the H that stands for hundreds. We'll use that way later in the year. We have the T that stands for tens. And we have the O that stands for ones. So remember, I have 1 10. I'm going to put that here. And 0 1s. I'm going to put that right here. Well, if you look, when I have 1 10 and 0 1s, that shows the number 10. We have been in school 10 days. Awesome job. All right, Neil, let's see what number we're going to make today. Cool. We are making the number 7. So 7 is my total. I've got to see what parts I need to make that number 7. There are lots of ways to make the number 7, but today I'm going to try to make it using the number 2 as one of my parts. Now, I've got a missing part here. So 2 and what makes 7? Well, one way I can do that is by counting on. So I'm going to put 2 in my mouth, and then I'm going to count on to 7, and we're going to put a finger up for each number that we count on. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need 5. Do that with me. Ready? We're going to start at 2 and count on to 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 and 5 make 7. Let's write an addition equation to show that. I'm going to take my parts and add them together. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Show me that on your fingers. 2 and 5 equals 7. Well, what if I swapped them? Then I would have 5 and 2, but does it still equal 7? That's right, it does. We can swap our parts. You're still going to get the same total. So let's write another addition equation swapping our parts. All right, so now I'm going to write 5 plus 2 equals 7. Good job, everybody.